Welcome to our channel ChandraAwesome. In this today's video, we will learn about a new tool which is launched by the Onshape that is called Offset Curve. Well, you might in the previous video I already explained how to use the decal tool, right? Where we can make logos just like a wrapping. So in this video, we will learn this offset curve. Well, you might already watch this how to work with this offset curve in the Onshape channel, but it's not completely shown. So in this video, we will learn completely about how to work with this. Well, you can see this is the Pokemon ball I just designed for exam. Okay, and here I will show how to achieve this shapes here. Okay, first of all, let's focus on what is offset curve. Offset curve is basically work on which is basically used for offsetting the 3D curves or edges which are available on these shapes. Just like for example, here I already have curve. When it will be more useful means when you want to split some faces, when you create some pattern faces just like this. For example, here say I just created a pattern type like this. Here with normal pattern sketches, it will be hard, it will be time taking, but with the offset curve, it will save a lot of time and make you able to do more flexible design here. Okay, so let's come to this point. Here I already a curve on this side, so let me delete this curve. Okay, now simply select the offset curve and select one of the edge. So when select this, its offset, you can also change the direction as well. So I just put black dot. You need to select the edges only. Okay, and it's the distance, means how much distance you want to offset. You can manipulate it, and the offset type, geodesic and Euclidean. So what is the difference between this? Well, I will explain you with this. Let's keep it on geodesic and gap free, linear and round. It means it is going to like if you want to the concentric type of gaps, it will create like this. If you want linear type, means it will make it playable. Okay, so because this is a vector sphere, you can't absorb that. Let's come to the linear and select the offset type. You see, we have offset and extend, and split. So with the offset, you can only offset the curves, and with the offset extend, you can able to manipulate the curve. So extend means we need to enable the trim features, and it will show the arrow bars like this. And with the arrow changes, you can extend or move the curves and how much distance you want to split like this. Okay. Or you can also maintain equal distance as well. So, like this, the curve is formed, but it's not lifted. Here you see the curve which is curved and is formed here. Okay, let's edit it again. You can see this action features to manipulate like this. And if you select the action split, then only it will perform this split operation. You can also type which part you want to split like this. Okay, and this extend means it will go to extend till the end. How will the job curve? And if you observe the object of your segment and if you label, the shape will change this. So when you perform with a regular shape, you can clearly understand how to work with this shape. Okay, let's split it. Okay, and here got the split operations formed and no culture state. So in this way, you can manipulate with the offset curve, which is very useful in Onshape flexible design and for when you work with the surface designs more. Okay, I hope you might understand what is the useful offset curve and shapes. That's okay. If you like it, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. And guys, and don't forget, this is public document, which is only for our subscribers, can access the files for free, which I made in this document. Okay.